dress, you make sure that if your dress is stretchable like mine, it's a little bit stretchable, don't pull the dress. So once I decided the length of my shirt, I mark it with a colored pen. So it's okay because it's washable right there. So from this white line, I need to cut it additional stripes, which is I need to cut it from this end because I need to fold it so it can look like this. Alright, so let's proceed to the cutting. If you have a fabric scissors, which is very easy, I lost mine, so I just borrow my son's scissors. But it's alright, you need to take your time. Alright. Once we're done cutting, as you can remember, we made it this apart. You need to fold it together, like end to end, to form this kind of texture. Notice that I don't have a thread black, I'm using a gray one. So what I did, I just sew it at the end between white and black. So this is my shirt now. It came up very cute. Pieces of it, well, I just make a headband out of it. Need to form number 8. Starts number 8 and bring this all the way here. So it will look like this. Oops, there. Got it? I'll do another one in a slow motion. My old dress, I turn it into a tank top. Alright ladies, so this is my DIY turban headband. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!